All right, so we're gonna put these in the pool, and it's nighttime, as you can see. This is the backyard. I'm gonna put one here and one over there, and we're gonna plug it in into this outlet over here. Hopefully I don't get electrocuted. And then we're just gonna set them in there and see how they work. Let's get it in there. Okay, good. Oh look, they're already working. Son of a gun. Okay, so let's take one of them. Let's bring it over here. We'll just drop her down in, just like that. There we go. Then the other one, we'll take, and we're gonna put it over here. See if I have enough room. How much have I got? Oh yeah, I got a lot. I just gotta untangle it. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. I think that's gonna work good. I'll set that one down in there, like that. All right, let's go around. Let's take a look. Woo! Looks pretty cool, huh? Check them out. There it is. It's blue, definitely blue. All right, so let's get out our app. We'll try some different colors. Let's go ahead and open up the app. Okay, here we are. And I'm gonna go to down here to styles. And let's go white strobe. Awesome, huh? All right, let's go static red. Check it out. All right, let's go green gradual change. All right, let's go blue gradual change. It's pretty cool. Let's get to the, here, look at that. All right, let's do 7-color strobe flash. Here we go, check it out. Is that cool? It's going through all the different colors. All right, what else have we got? Red strobe flash. So there's the static colors. Let's start with red. It's red static. I'm going to zoom in on it so you can get a better idea. This one's right here on the patio. So let's do it. Let's go to blue static, right? Then we'll go to green. Looks good, right? And let's try. Let's get out of the static colors. Let's do three color jump. So that's 3-color jumping change. Cool, huh? See this over here. All right, let's do the 7-color jump. Here we go, check this out. And I think I can slow the speed of it down by taking this down a little bit. Then it goes a little bit slower. Or not. It might not. Let's see what we got. Now we got a crossfade. Let's watch the crossfade. There's your crossfade. I'm gonna do a 7-color. Hang on. Well, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to do that. Hang on. get a little closer. We're going to do the 7 color crossfade. So now it's going to go through 7 colors. All right, looking good. And there's a red gradual change. So it's kind of like a pulse. All right, so let's go down, let's do some music. All right, so we'll go ahead and go with Happy Birthday. I don't know, that doesn't excite me. Let's go to the microphone. All right, let's check this out. Now I'm talking into the microphone and it's going to kind of mimic my voice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WABX in Detroit. This is Tom LyLmLe with all the hits 24 hours a day. So that's that. Let's go ahead and go back to styles. All right, I'm going to go we're going to go here. Oh shoot, I can't get to it. All right, so let's go here. So now we're back on our little color wheel. And so I can change it, look. By twisting this, you can see the colors change. So there's blue. Get a feel for it. Let me do it. See that? And then you can just go right to the colors here. Blue. I can go red. You know, white color. And we can increase it by changing it here. See? And go higher or lower. So anyway, that's basically it right there. Let's go back to styles and let's go to the 3 color fades. Wait a minute, 7 color strobe. Let's see what that is. I don't really like that much, do you? I mean, I don't really like the strobe. Let's go to, there we go. I'm going to do 3 color jump. All right, so let's check that out. So it's going through 3 colors. Let's back it up. All right, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.